Hello, good morning. Today I am going to present a new video in continuation of chapter pregnancy. Today's topic is pregnancy second trimester. In previous video you see pregnancy first trimester duration management. In this video you see second trimester. So what is sign and symptoms of the second trimester of pregnancy? In second trimester, amenorrhea continue, morning sickness reduced or stopped, frequency of menstruation not marked, change in disposition same as before or may be certain changes, sensation of fullness of breast, quickening felt by mother, fetal movement felt by mother from 18 weeks generally, progressive enlargement of lower abdomen according to time. So this is symptoms of the second trimester. Sign: painless uterine contraction known as Braxton Hicks sign, fetal movement felt by mother known as quickening, internal bellotment, external bellotment, fetal heart sound audible in second trimester. Differential diagnosis of second trimester: ovarian tumor, ectopic pregnancy, pseudo pregnancy. Ovarian tumor indicates or leads pain or overgrowth, especially on ovary region. Ectopic pregnancy is may be right-sided or left-sided, or different kinds of ectopic pregnancy I already explained in previous topic under heading tubal pregnancy. Pseudo pregnancy confirmed by the X-ray. Complications of second pregnancy: hemorrhage, abortion, retention of urine, constipation, hypertension. May be other associated complaint present during second trimester. In this diagram, breast changes during second trimester. Sonographic view of the fetus during second trimester. Diet chart for second trimester. Diet supplement and proper diet play an important role in maintenance of health during pregnancy or especially during second trimester. Menu or item of dinner, snacks, lunch, breakfast, or breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. This diet chart contain proper amount of protein, fat, minerals, vitamin and required necessary nutrition for proper growth and development of the health of pregnant lady, that is expectant mother, and growing fetus. In second trimester, workout or exercise: walk on and incline for 10 minutes, 25 squats, 30-second elbow plank, 25 front lungs on each side, 25 incline push-ups, 25 back lunges, 25 triceps, 25 donkey kicks on each side. Repeat 3 times properly. Workout or exercise or yoga may be performed under the guidance of expert because all exercise not necessary for all pregnant lady or a female. So according to guidance of the yoga expert or physiotherapist, you perform the different types of the yoga or exercise. Developmental milestone of baby or fetus. First movement or quickening. Langu covers the skin. Organs continue maturing. Gender reveal at 18 to 20 weeks. Weight 1.5 ounce to 1.7 lb. Length 3.4 to 14 inch. This is the developmental milestone of baby. In this slide, you see appearance of the fetus, that is from 13 weeks, 15 weeks, 17 weeks, 19 weeks, 21 weeks and 23 weeks. Growth of fetus during second trimester. Good sleep position in second trimester. Bad habit of sleeping may create complication in form of acidity or indigestion or restricted fetal movement. Investigation. Gravidex test positive. Per abdomen, linea albicans bluish in color. X-ray of abdomen, it shows the presence of a skeleton in fetus. Ultrasonography, presence of fetus, size corresponds with duration of pregnancy. Hemoglobin estimation, CBC, serum calcium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, urine routine and culture, monitoring of BP and weight. Homeopathic medicine, Calcarea phos, Ferrum phos, Mag phos, Iris versicollis for acidity problem. May be other medicine required according to complications of the individual pregnant lady. In this way, you see in this video second trimester definition, symptoms, sign, developmental milestone, differential diagnosis, complications, exercise, sleep habit, diet chart and homeopathic medicine. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In next video you see pregnancy third trimester. Thank you.